All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be multiplying radicals in this video. Ooh, I can't talk. The thing to remember when you're multiplying radicals is you can multiply them together as long as they have the same index. So if I have the fourth root of, let's say, 2 times the fourth root of 8. Now, you can't take a fourth root of 2. You can't take a fourth root of 8. But if I were to multiply these together, I get the fourth root of 2 times 8. And 2 times 8 we know is 16. Oh, fourth root of 16. Well, 16 is 2 to the fourth power. So the fourth root of 16 is 2. Not bad. Oh, these aren't too shabby. Well, I'm going to grab a problem that's from your book, okay? This one is actually number 35 in your textbook on page 371. Okay, so I have this. We have a 2 on the outside. We have cube root, and it's 2xy squared. 2xy squared. And you notice we can't take a cube root of any of those. But it's being multiplied times the cube root of 4x squared y to the 5th. Okay. All right. Well, first thing we're going to do, I'm going to recopy that 2 on the outside. I'm going to make one great big old radical, and it is a cube root. We have both are cube roots, so that means, yes, I can multiply them. I'm going to multiply the numbers. 2 times 4 makes 8. Okay, x times x squared, you just add the exponents together. So 1 plus 2 makes 3, so it's x cubed. Oh, nice. And then 2 times 5 make 10. Oh, excuse me. Add our exponents. Ooh, bad, bad, bad. 2 plus 5 makes 7. So I have y to the 7th. Now, you notice the 8's a perfect cube. It's going to give us a 2. The x cubed is a perfect cube. It's going to give us an x. But y to the 7th is not a perfect cube. What can I do with that? Well, one way you can look at this, and this might make it a little easier for some of you, okay, take your exponent of 7, divide it by the index. Use long division. 3 goes into 7 2 whole times. 2 times 3 is 6. Subtract. And there's a remainder of 1. What does that mean? That means a y to the second power is going to come out of the radical, and a y to the first power is going to be left inside. Oh, so good old long division helps us out. So I'm writing down the 2 that was already on the outside. Okay? Cube root of 8 is 2 because 2 times 2 times 2 makes 8. Cube root of x cubed is x. Okay? And then I'm going to have a y to the second power with 1y remaining, a y to the first remaining inside the cube root. Now, since I have 2 different numbers on the outside, I got to multiply them. So 2 times 2 makes 4. So I have 4x y squared times the cube root of y. And that's our final answer. All right, enjoy these.